Section 19 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 1, July 1897. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Summary: Bald eagle, Haliatus leucocephalus. Other names: white-headed eagle, bird of Washington, gray eagle, sea eagle, dark brown. Head, tail, and tail coverts white. Tarsus naked. Young with little or no white. Range: North America, breeding throughout its range. Nest: generally in tall trees. Eggs: 2 or 3, dull white. Semi-palmated plover, Aegialitis semi-palmata. Other names: American ring plover, ringneck, beach bird, front, throat, ring around neck, and entire underparts white. Band of deep black across the breast, upper parts ashy brown, toes connected at base. Range: North America in general, breeding in the Arctic and subarctic districts, winters from the Gulf states to Brazil. Nest: depression in the ground, with lining of dry grass. Eggs: 3 or 4, buffy white, spotted with chocolate. Mallard duck, Anis boscis. Other names: greenhead, wild duck. Adult male, in fall, winter, and spring, beautifully colored. Summer, resembles female, somber. Range: northern parts of northern hemisphere. Nest: of grasses on the ground, usually near the water. Eggs: 6 to 10, pale green or bluish white. American avocet, Recurvirostra americana. Other names: white snipe, yelper, lawyer, scooper. Range: temperate North America. Nest: a slight depression in the ground. Eggs: 3 or 4, pale olive or buffy clay color, spotted with chocolate. Canvasback, Ithia vallisneria. Other names: white-black, bullneck, red-headed bullneck. Range: North America. Breeds only in the interior, from northwestern states to the Arctic Circle, south in winter to Guatemala. Nest: on the ground, in marshy lakesides. Eggs: 6 to 10, buffy white with bluish tinge. Wood duck, X sponsa. Coloring varied, most beautiful of ducks. Other names: summer duck, bridal duck, wood widgeon, tree duck. Range: North America. Breeds from Florida to Hudson's Bay, winters south. Nest: made of grasses, usually placed in a hole in tree or stump. Eggs: 8 to 14, pale buffy white. Snakebird, Anhinga. Other names: water turkey, darter, water crow, Grecian lady. Range: tropical and subtropical America. Nest: of sticks, lined with moss, rootlets, etc., in a bush or tree over the water. Eggs: 2 to 4, bluish white, with a chalky deposit. American woodcock, Philohella minor. Other names: bog sucker, mud snipe, blind snipe. Range: Eastern North America, breeding throughout its range. Nest: of dried leaves, on the ground. Eggs: 4, buffy, spotted with shades of rufous. White-winged scoter, Oidemia deglandi. Other names: American velvet scoter, white-winged coot, Uncle Sam coot. Range: Northern North America, breeding in Labrador and the fur countries, south in winter. Nest: on the ground, beneath bushes. Eggs: 6 to 10, pale, dull buff. Snowy heron, Ardea candidissima. Other names: little egret, white-crested egret, white poke. Range: tropical and temperate America. Nest: a platform of sticks in bushes over water. Eggs: 3 to 5, pale, dull blue. End of Section 19. Recording by Valentina Vicelli. End of Birds, Volume 2, Number 1, July 1897.